Hello students, let's move for the 8th lesson in the light lesson sum. A concave lens of a focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram related to that. So let's write the given first for this sum. Given a concave lens of the focal length has given focal length how much it is, that is the 15 centimeter, forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. I mean image distance from the lens, that is image distance should be referred in a V, so that is 10 centimeter. Then how far the object is placed from the lens? We want to find out the object distance. Okay, image distance should be to the right side, that's why we want to write always in a positive. Object distance should be for the left, that's why it will become a negative. Keep in mind that. Okay, let's find out that 1 by f equals, it is also lens, we have to take the lens formula only. 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u. So that is, let's substitute the values. 1 divided by 15 equal to the 1 divided by v, how much? 10 minus 1 divided by u, we don't know, write as it is. Let us separate the 1 divided by u. If you are going to separating the 1 divided by u, take this to the LHS. So 1 by 10, if we shift 1 by 15 to the RHS, it will become minus 1 by 15. So take a LCM for 15 and 10. The LCM for 15 and 10 is 30. 10 3s are 3 1s are 3 minus 15 2s are 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by 30. I mean 1 by u equal to 1 by 30. 30 it is 30. So 1 1 get cancelled. Then u in the sense object distance is 30 centimeter. I told you already object distance always referred in as in a negative. If it is a positive also, it should be in a negative because it is placed, the object is placed left side of the lens. Keep that thing in a mind. So where the object want to place, object is placed 30 centimeter away from the lens. Should write that where the, because how far they are asking, the object, last line it is, object is placed 30 centimeter away from the lens. Hope you will understand this. Let's move for the 9th sum. An object is placed at a 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Keep the concentration here. Here this is a mirror. We want to take a mirror formula. Still at what we are solving, that is related to the lens formula. This is a convex mirror of the focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and the nature of the image. Let's write the given for this. Given object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter, that means object distance has given u equals object distance. If it is a positive also, we want to take as negative because object is placed to the left of the lens. Keep in mind, if the left of the lens, the distance should be taken as negative. To the right of the lens, the distance should be taken as positive. That thing you have to keep in mind. And the focal length has given, focal length is 15 centimeter. Then find the position and nature of the image. We want to find out the distance of image distance, that is v, and later nature. Okay, so let us take the mirror formula here. Mirror formula is 1 by f equals, in case of mirror we want to take positive, it is 1 by v plus 1 by u. In case of lens, it is a 1 by v minus 1 by u. So that is the difference between the mirror and the lens focal length formula. So let us substitute the value. 1 by f is 15 equal to 1 by v, we don't know, right as it is, plus 1 by u is minus 10. So here there will be the minus, no? So that's why should write in a bracket. So then we got here 1 by 15 equal to 1 by v, plus into minus is minus 1 by 10. So if we are going to separate the 1 by v should has a, so write in a RHS only. Then 1 by 15. So this minus 1 by 10. If it is shift to the LHS, it will become the plus 1 by 10. So the LCM for 15 and 10 we know already in the previous sum only, that is a 30. 15 2s are 2 plus 10 3s are 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 30. 5 1s are 5 6 are, okay, that value is 1 by 6. So 1 by V equals 1 by 6. Here 1 get cancelled, therefore V equals how much? Image distance, that is a 6 centimeter. It should be in a positive only because image is formed to right side of the lens, okay. So the image distance is formed, write the last line, image is formed 6 centimeter away from the lens. 6 centimeter away from the lens, and the mirror is away from the not lens, it is mirror, it is away from the mirror, and the nature is virtual. Nature is virtual image. Virtual and inverted also we can write, virtual image. So this is about the 9th sum. Let's move for the 10th sum. An object 5 centimeter in length placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of convex mirror of the radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. Let's write the given for this also. Given an object of the length, if length is given, nothing but the height of the object, HO it is, that is the 5 centimeter. Height of the object is 5. Then placed at a distance of, object is placed, object distance it is, that is the 20 centimeter in front of the convex mirror. Here also mirror formula we want to use. Under radius of curvature, capital R has given, that is the 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image and its nature and size. Here focal length has not given, but instead of that radius of curvature. So by using that we can find the focal length. So by using the formula radius of curvature R equals 2F. So R value 30, substitute that equal to 2F, then F equals 30 divided by 2. So that is 15 centimeter. So F equals how much? 15 centimeter. Let's write the mirror formula here because convex mirror here they are given. So 1 by F equals 1 by V plus 1 by U. So let's substitute the value of that. 1 divided by F, how much we got now here? That is 15. 1 by V we don't know, write as it is, plus 1 by U. So here I told you already, if it is a positive also we want to take it as a negative because object distance is always a negative, plus my 1 by 20 minus. So why negative? I told you already, because object is placed left of the lens or mirror. Yes, if you are taken separating the 1 by V here, so 1 by 15 should be in LHS only. Here plus into minus minus it will become, so if it is shift to the LHS it will become plus 1 by 20, minus will become a plus 1 by 20. So if you have taken a LCM for 15 and a 20, that is 60. 15 4s are 60, 4 1s are 4 plus 20 3s are 3 1s are 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7 divided by 60. So this is the value of 1 by V. Then V equals, its reciprocal we want to take, so it will become V is 60 divided by 7. Keep in mind students, if there is a 1 in a numerator we can cancel directly, or else we want to take its reciprocal, okay. So if you are divide the 60 by 7, so 7 8s are 56, 4 will be the remainder, so 0.47 5s are 35, 5 will be the remainder, point already is there, it will become 50, 7 7s are enough, point after 2 digits it is enough, 8.57 centimeter. This is the image distance. Let's calculate, and also they'll ask q to calculate the size of the image. So we don't know the size of the image. Let's take the formula of magnification. Magnification here, we know for hi divided by ho equal to minus v divided by u in a mirror. So we have to take minus v divided by u. Let us substitute the value for this. So this is v is 8.57 and u is, so sorry, in case of mirror it is plus, in case of a lens it is minus. So u we know that is the minus 20. So if we divide that, point after two numbers are there, remove the decimals and put zeros in the denominator. Point after two numbers are there, put two zeros. That will become a 2000. So if we divide the 2000 by 857, we got 0.42 centimeter. This is the value of magnification. So if we are going to substitute the same, so we will get another formula we can use, that is the magnification is also equal to the hi divided by ho. This thing we can use here to find out the height of the image or the size of the image what they asked in the sum. So let's substitute the value of magnification for this formula, 0.42, and hi we don't know, right as it is. Then ho that has provided, that is a 5. So here in a denominator always 1 will be there. We can do the cross multiplication. Hi into 1 is hi, that equal to 0.42 into 5. So 0.42 into 5 is 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 4s are 20, plus 1 21, 2 carry, 5 0 zeros, nothing but 2.10. Height of the image hi is 2.10 centimeter. So this is thing. The last thing you have to write, size of the, what does asked, size of the image, position of the image and nature of the image. So that thing you should write, that size of the image is, size of the image, what we got the answer now, that is the 2.10 centimeter. And the the nature of the image is virtual and diminished. Nature of the image, virtual and diminished. Diminished in the sense very tumba chikkadu. We can guess this because object distance is 20 and image distance is 2.10 only. There is a lot of difference between 20 to 2. So then we can guess it is very diminished. Let's move for the 11th sum. An object of the size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of the concave mirror of the focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that the sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. As object has taken with the size of 7 cm. Let's write the given for this also. That is the height of the object is 7 centimeter. HO is 7 centimeter and it is placed at a distance of 27 centimeter. That is U is minus 27 centimeter. If it is a positive also, we want to take the object distance as a negative because it should be, object should be to the left of the lens or a mirror. Yes, in front of the focal length. Focal length in the is given, f is 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed? So that thing want to find out, so that the sharp focus image we can get. I mean we want to find, and find the size and nature of the image also. Size in the sense hi we want to find out. So let's take mirror formula for this also the same, because they has given the concave mirror. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So let us substitute the value. F is 1 by 18 equal to the 1 by v, we don't know, right as it is, plus 1 by u is 1 divided by minus 27. So if you are separating the 1 by v here, 1 by v should be remains in the RH side only. So 1 by 18, if you have taken plus into minus, minus 1 by 27, if it is shift to the LHS, it will become plus 1 by 27. So the LCM for 18 and 27 is 54. 18 and 27 LCM is 54. 18 3s are 3 1s are 3 plus 27 2s are. So 1 by v equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by 54. So its reciprocal we want to take. So here no one not there to cancel, so that's why we have to take its reciprocal. V equal to 54 divided by 5. So if we divide the 54 by 5, we got 5 tens are 50, 5 tens are 50, 40 will be there. Then 5 point, put a point and it will become 40, 5 8s are 40, 10.8. Then find the magnification, the same methods what we have followed in the last previous sum, the same method. Magnification equal to minus v divided by u, we know already. V is we got now, that is the 10.8 divided by u, we don't know, u is also minus 27, minus get cancelled, it will become a 10.8. and we can write, we can remove the decimal also here. 108 point after one number is there, put 10 on the denominator. 108 divided by 270. So finally if we divide that, we got 0.4 centimeter. So this is the magnification. So let us take one more formula to find out the height of the image. Magnification is also equal to both, I mean hi divided by ho. So magnification we got now 0.4, right as it is, and hi we don't know, right as it is. Then ho that has provided, that is the 7. So hi equal to, if we do the cross multiplication, it will become 7 into 0.4, that equal to the 7 4s are 28, so 2.8, it will become 2.8. so 2.8 centimeter. So this is the height of the image. Should write, the screen is placed at the distance of 10.8 centimeter. The screen, because it is the image distance, right? Because image is formed on the screen. No? The screen is placed at the distance of 10.8 centimeter, and the size of the image is, the size of the image, what, how much we got, 2.8 centimeter. And nature of the image is same as usual. Nature of the image is virtual and diminished. Nature of the image is virtual, write neatly, and diminished. So hope you will understand this. Let's move for the 12th one. So this is the 12th sum. Find the focal length of a lens of the power minus 2.0 dioptry. What type of a lens is this? Okay, find the focal length of the lens. Power has given, let's take the power formula. P equals 1 divided by F. Power has given, that is minus 2, that equal to focal length we don't know, right as it is. So if we do the cross multiplication, it will become minus 2 into F, 2F equal to 1. Then F equals minus 1 divided by 2. So if we divide that, we will get minus 0.5 centimeter. So minus value of the focal length indicates concave lens, because the power has negative value we can take here. So what type of a lens it is? The power value is, if it is a negative, it is a concave. If it is a positive, it is a convex. Okay, so this is a which type of lens? This is a concave lens. Concave lens because power has negative value. Okay, this is very important. If the power is negative, that is a concave lens, and if power is positive, that is a convex lens. Yes, that thing is very important. Yes, let us move for the next one. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of the power 1.5 diopter. Here positive value is there. Positive value indicates a converging lens. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens is diverging or converging? I told you already for this answer. So let's find out the focal length of the lens. Let us take the same formula. P equals 1 by f, power of a lens formula. So substitute the value. Power is 1.5 diopter divided by 1 by f. F we don't know, so it will become 1.5 into f equal to 1, then f equals 1 divided by 1.5. so if we remove the decimals, we want to put 10 in a numerator. Point after one number is there, that's why 10 divided by 15. So it will 15 zeros are 100, it will become point is there, 15 6 are 90. So 0.6 centimeter is the focal length, and the prescribed lens is diverging or converging, because positive is their power, it is a converging or convex lens. Prescribed lens is converging or convex. Converging lens is also known as convex lens. Keep in mind. Hope you will understand. Thank you. The lesson, almost the sums are completed in this lesson. Thank you.